Many private companies have not announced a holiday for their employees on Thursday. So the State Human Rights Commission has decided to take action against firms that are not giving a holiday. The KSHRC will take legal action against such companies by registering cases of violation of human rights on them. KSHRC has received many calls against such companies. If your company is one of the many not giving an off, then you can complain too. All you have to do is call 080-3298-9007.
To exercise this right, one must get a liberty, and every state or any authority or the organization must facilitate by declaring the holiday. If holiday is not declared, that means they are not facilitating to exercise this right. That is nothing but infringement of, that is a violation of right. And any violation of human rights will not be tolerated by our council.
While some companies have agreed to grant a holiday, some others have not. The cases will be registered under the Representation of People Act of 1950. As per the Act, companies should give a leave with pay to all its employees on the day of elections. Violating this Act would indirectly mean taking away the right of voting.
In our democracy, if the employees are not granted leave for voting, it would mean taking away their right of voting. We have received many calls about some companies who are not granting leave. So we have spoken to those firms. Some of them have agreed. We will register cases on the companies which do not grant leave tomorrow.
The state government has also passed an order to grant leave tomorrow. Meanwhile, some engineers have taken up an initiative to create awareness among the companies.
Companies to give permission to their employees to cast their vote.
Professionally, I am a software engineer.
I am a software engineer by profession. My company has given leave for elections, but some software companies and private firms are not giving leave. So I request those companies to grant leave to their employees so that they can cast their votes.
ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ರಜೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Tomorrow is the day when you can change the future of the nation. So it's time to be the decision maker and vote. Sharat, News 9, Bengaluru.